Severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Hillsboro, or 13 miles north of Richland Center, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Sauk County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.